Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a new Linktree account from your existing Linktree account. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to create a Linktree account. At the bottom left, you can see your username. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. From here at the very top, you can see a button like this that says create a new Linktree. Click on it right now. And from here, the process is quite the same as have you created a Linktree account. Simply follow me step by step. I'm gonna select my username right now. Once you've entered your username, simply hit on continue. Now as you can see, this thing opened up. It's saying my Linktree will now be managed by an account linked to. Well, I'm just gonna hit on continue. I'm not gonna do anything. It's gonna ask me to select a template. Well guys, you can select whatever one you wish. Once you select the template, simply click on start with this template. Well guys, as you can see, it's gonna ask you to select your content, select whatever you wish, or denote that you can also skip it. Well, it's up to you guys. For now, I'm just gonna hit on continue. And guys, this is it. Simply add your profile title, bio. I'm gonna skip it right now. And guys, this is it. As you can see, I have successfully created a new Linktree account. This is it guys. That's the gist of it. Well, as you can see, this right here is the username and I can shift between my two Linktree's account. That is it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.